All right, welcome back, everybody. We are on level 3 of lesson 1. So now let's see if AI can learn a less obvious word. So now we're going to be looking at emotions. So wild, spooky, fun, hungry, playful, delicious, fierce, awesome, glitchy, silly, happy, endangered, angry, fast, scary. Well, how do we know if something is spooky or glitchy or endangered? So this is where we have to be really careful and where we have to do a lot of work and training to make sure that the algorithm is going to recognize a scary fish or a fast fish or an angry fish. Um, but you see, I'm going to focus on their expressions, and so I'm going to pick happy fish. So let's teach AI a word that depends on your opinion. It is up to you to pick fish that match your word. All right, so I'm going to be picking fish that I think are happy. So, not happy. No. Sure. No. See, this is where we get sure. No. Is it fair to use artificial intelligence to judge a fish by its looks? While AI might seem fair and neutral, its analysis comes from training we provide. What unintended bias could this cause? Well, this is a really good question because everyone has an unintended bias. There are things that we see that others will see, but we will look at it through different lenses with different perspectives, right? So just because think that this looks like a happy fish, you might think that it doesn't, and that's okay. But then when we're training the machine learning, how do we prevent our bias from getting through and being part of the algorithm? All right, so we're going to keep going. Happy, sure, no, sure, sure, no, no, yes, sure. Angry? Happy? I'm gonna say no, and just because of the way his eyes are. Yes, no. Uh, he looks like he's trying to force a grin. He doesn't look like he's actually happy. All right. No. Sure. See, this is where it gets harder because now it isn't quite as clear cut as just a shape or a color. Now it's my opinion whether or not I think that this fish is happy, um, and I don't. He looks like he's talking. He doesn't look like he's happy. He sure. All right. Sure. No. 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 He looks like he's choking on something. Um, no. All right, so I'm at 30. So this is difficult. This is difficult. But you know what? I'm going to do 5 more and then let's see. So, no, no, yes, no, 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 yes, yes. So actually, I'm going to do 2 more. No, no. There we go. All right, we have 40. So I'm only doing 40 because this is difficult. Again, we probably want to do 70 or so. So I'm going to continue. Let's see how it works. So with your training data, you have programmed AI to recognize happy fish. All right. Let's see AI identify happy fish. Run. All right. Ooh, no, no. Oh, he was so happy. Oh, see, I definitely needed to do more training. All right, so let's see. Here are 20 options. Um, he looks kind of angry. He doesn't look very happy. He looks angry. I don't know if I would call that happy. I would kind of call that scary. He looks very happy. He exactly. Yes. All right. And then let's see. You can train more if you want to improve the results. Well, I think we definitely should, but I'm going to let you guys train with that. And then you can also pick a new word. So, if this is happy and this is scary, maybe when this guy pops up, it would go into scary first because I've trained it to show me that, right? So you can teach AI a new word by choosing new word. All right. And then these are the fish that it said wasn't happy. Oh, see, and he looks so happy. I would have put him in the other one. All right, so, but you get the gist of how machine learning works. So again, I would spend more time on this level, making sure that you're training a couple different words, making sure that you're getting up to at least 50, 70 more images that you're training. So like, let's look at this guy, right? Information. So these are the most important fish parts in determining whether this fish was happier or not happy. So colors, eyes, mouth, body. Mm. And it looked at this super happy guy and said, nope, you're not happy. Uh, all right, so yeah, more work to be done on this level. But for now, I'm going to let you guys work on that. And when you're done with that, you're going to go to finish. And there's going to be a short um, survey for you to take. And you can see that all the answers are correct. So no matter what you put, you're not wrong, which is lovely. So that's just telling me what you're learning about with this lesson. All right, and then of course you're going to go through this. So level 1 was just recognizing, is it a fish, is it not a fish? Level 2, recognizing expressions. I'm sorry, recognizing fish features. So what color is it? Is it triangular, circular, etc.? And then level 3 is recognizing expressions: angry, happy, sad, mad, spooky, delicious, etc. And so you're going to go through and you're going to fill this in, and that is going to be a wrap. All right, so if you get that far, then you have done everything you're supposed to do today. Good job. All right, until next time.